In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language back to English in GTA 5 on your PC. So it's quite complicated because there is not a normal way to change the language back to English, but I will show you today. So first, we will need to open our game launcher. For me it's Steam, but for Epic Games it works the same. So go to your library and then right click on your game, so the GTA 5 game. Once you have done that, go to Properties and there you will see a couple of options. We will go to Installed Files, and as you can see, the installation is placed on this drive. So we will browse, and once you are there, you will be entering your game file location. Now, the next step is very easy. We need to add a command line, but as you can see, it's not here yet. So we need to add a new text file. Go to New and then create a text document. We will call that command line. .txt. And once you have done that, you have created a file, and in that file you will rename it. So I will drag this to the screen, and there we will type in Stripe UE language and then American. And once you are saving this file, as I do now, save, it will be changed to English. So that is how you change the language in Grand Theft Auto 5.